on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a very long time since the last video. Well, Uncle Sam called. I had to do some stuff, so we are back, and we started off the season out here at Little Sahara in Oklahoma. First time we've been here, so you're gonna get to know it as we get to know it. We're actually staying at the America's Oasis campground. It's really nice, real flat, good hookups so far. Everything seems to be pretty cool. We go cruise around, it's just me and Jazz, and just get to know the place. It's been a very long time since I've been to the dunes. It's probably been, oh gosh, 15 years now. I used to go to Glamis all the time, Buttercup, Gordon's Well, and since I moved because of the military, I haven't been able to go back to the dunes. I figured this would be really cool to check out, especially with Black Betty, you know, the new ride over here. Did a couple things to her. Let me show you a few things before we head on our ride. A lot of the tires and wheels, I just kind of did a budget thing. I didn't go with Sandcraft or anything like that, but I went with the AMS Sand Kings. Like they're a 14 with the 14 paddle with, I think, almost a 1-inch tall paddle. So I figure that might be that might be pretty good for now. I went back down to 30, so we're pretty much stock. I'm probably gonna go to 32s. Got some cheap GMZ bead locks up on the back, and then on the front I did the System 3 bead locks. I stuck with the 14-inch because I wasn't sure exactly where I was gonna go as far as my setup. Then I went with the STI sand drifters up front. I also have a set of CST sand blasters, front and rear, but that was for Billy and my brother and my cousin were gonna come out, but they unfortunately couldn't make it this trip. So I got an extra pair of paddles. If anyone needs some, I'll sell them. Just let me know. Send me a message, or you can email me at nick@theradescape.com. Some other things that we added on in preparation for this trip. CT Raceworks shock tower brace kit. I didn't do the full gusset kit yet. I'm trying to just get the stuff done to get ready for this trip. I went with that mantis green, so I'm gonna have a few little mantis green accents in there. So it's gonna be kind of a reverse. It's gonna be just a couple hints of the green around the car, as you can see, kind of with my number plates that I got for when I start doing TX4. That's my number, 416. What else? Limit straps, of course, put those on there, help protect those CV joints. But that's really it. But God, I love the finish on the shock tower brace from CT Raceworks. They do some really good work. But that's it right now. We're gonna go see how she does in the dunes. I mean, fingers crossed. I don't know. This will be the first time in the dunes with her. First time in the dunes in like 15 years. So we'll see if I still got it. I used to do a lot of dirt bike riding out there. I mean, I started as a kid on a 3-wheeler, and it's slowly progressed over the years now. Now we're in side-by-sides, maybe one day a buggy, I don't know. If I go somewhere where it's closer to the dunes, I'll probably end up doing something like that. But it's a little windy out here. Typical Oklahoma, I think. But we're still gonna have fun. So, get Jazz, get the pass, go hit the dunes. All right, guys, here we go. That's rad. Here we go. Yeah! Yes! Hell yeah. He's having a good old time. Oh, a little crooked right there. This is a cool little step up right here. Just out in the middle of nowhere. What do you think? Mine looked tiny compared to his, huh?
I want bigger jumps.
Did you? That buggy, that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one buggy just soared. That was crazy. Is this kind of the main spot, like a wheelie spot, or are there a bunch of others? You just kind of find them, they change?
There's several spots.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you move that way just a bit, that's where you have your best one. Just like
I think it's official. I need to go with some two-step. I need to get the tune if I'm going to be doing this kind of stuff. And yeah, keep having fun doing this drag racing. Look at all these cars lined up, both sides. This is fun. I'm not sure the length or the distance. It seems pretty short, but it's fun. They groom it pretty frequently. Tonight they're probably doing 9 o'clock to, I don't know, midnight maybe. For this event, they did $25 per person, and that covered you for Friday and Saturday. They ended up opening up on Friday too. This is fun. This is a good experience. Got quads out here racing. Good times. Well, let's see what else we can get into. See who else we could race. Take our chances. Keep holding strong, Black Betty. These guys were, I think they were running mid fives, I think. Left lane 5.8, right lane 6.0. Oh, thank you so much. I've got one more. Let's see. This was one of my slower times. 5.7, oh, not bad. 3 speed, 0.4. I have definitely, my rack's time is not that good.